In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bad gateway 502 error from Cloudflare. A 502 from Cloudflare usually means Cloudflare reached your server but got an invalid response back. We'll walk through 3 core checks inside your Cloudflare dashboard and on your server so you can quickly pinpoint what's wrong and get your site back online. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard and sign in. From your home screen, head to the list of sites and open the domain that's showing the 502. This takes you to the domain's overview, where we'll access the settings that most commonly cause this error. Next, go to the DNS section for this domain. Open the records view and look for your A record. This is the record that should point your root domain and commonly your www subdomain to your origin server. Confirm that the A record's IP address matches your actual server's public IP. If the IP is old from a previous host or a temporary address from a staging environment, Cloudflare will route traffic to the wrong place and you'll see errors. If you're unsure of the correct IP, check with your hosting provider or your server panel. After correcting the IP, give it a moment and try loading the site again. DNS changes inside Cloudflare are typically fast, but local caching can take a few minutes to catch up. Then open the SSL TLS settings for the same domain. In the Overview tab, set the encryption mode to full or full strict. Full ensures Cloudflare connects to your origin over HTTPS. Full strict is even better if your origin has a valid certificate that matches your domain because it fully validates the connection end to end. Avoid using flexible here as it makes Cloudflare talk to your server over plain HTTP, which often leads to handshake problems and 502 errors when the origin expects HTTPS. Finally, make sure your server or firewall allows Cloudflare IPs. Cloudflare sends requests from a published list of IP ranges. If your origin blocks those ranges through a firewall, security group, web server rules, or a WAF, Cloudflare can't reach your site and will return a 502 on your behalf. Add Cloudflare's IP ranges to your allow list and keep them updated over time. Most hosting firewalls, Nginx, Apache, and cloud security groups support straightforward allow list rules. To recap, verify the A record points to the correct server IP, use full or full, strict in SSL TLS, and allow Cloudflare IPs on your origin. After applying these checks, refresh your site and the 502 should clear.